Hello students, today I am explaining HTML's tag. Okay, so previously I explained HTML table tag. Okay, so different tag I explained it. Now here I explain the next one, like table row span and col span. So we are given title here. Today's topic is row span and col span, and closing the title tag, closing the head tag. Okay, now enter key, opening the body tag. Okay, inside the body tag we are giving table tag, and previous video I explained how to uh, add border, background color of table, and different things. So today I explain caption like that. So today I explain cell spacing and cell row spacing. Okay, so first I explain cell padding. Actually cell padding is a marginal part. Okay, so here we just give cell padding. Okay, cell padding attributes is used to set the margin within a cell. It sets the amount of space in between the cell border and cell data. Okay, the value of these attributes indicate in pixel. So equal to 10. So it will be manage the space, okay, between the cell border and cell data. And then cell spacing. Okay, one more term is cell spacing. These attributes is cell the minimum डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू एडजस्टमेंट सेल. अगर टू एडजस्टमेंट सेल के बीच में हमको मिनिमम डिस्टेंस सेट करना है, सो फॉर दैट पर्पस वी आर यूजिंग सेल spacing. Cell spacing equal to, inside the double quotation I give the numbers. According to number it will be set the distance between the two adjustment cell. Okay, and close it. So first is cell padding. Cell padding is used to adjust the margin between the cell border and cell data, and cell spacing is used to adjust the space between the two cell. I previously explained what is the cell. Cell is actually the intersections of rows and columns. Okay, if multiple rows and columns, it's called table, and one row and one column, one box in a table is called cell. So cell padding is used to adjust the data and cell. Okay, and cell padding is cell spacing is used to maintain the distance between the cell data. Okay, like that we are using the cell data. And after that I explained table data and table heading. So if you want to change any adjustment, so table row first we are taken, and on here we just give the align. Okay, align, and we just give the alignment like left, right, whatever we want. Suppose I am given right, So it will be show our the content from the right side of the cell. Okay, ये क्या करता है, हमारे जो टेबल है, सपोज ये टेबल है, तो हमारा डेटा ये राइट साइड से आएगा. ठीक है. देन आफ्टर दिस इज द अलाइनमेंट. एंड सपोज हमको एक ही कलर, एक ही रो में, सपोज इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द कलर ऑफ सिंगल रो, सो फॉर दैट पर्पस ओनली टीआर डेटा के अंदर जब हम देंगे तो उस पर्टिकुलर उस रो that will be change the colors of that particular row. Okay, so here I am given bg color and equal to, inside the double quotation, suppose I am given red. So it will be change only the that particular rows content. Okay, if I am given it's on first row of the table, so it will be change. This is a table, suppose. Okay, so it will be change all the things in only first row because I am given the content in a tr tag. Okay, like table border, v align, etc. we are also using. Then after table span, sorry, row span and call span. Row span and call spans are basically used to merge the cell. Suppose this is my table, this is my table. Okay, it's a simple table, it is a simple table. But if I want to merge these two cell, okay, so these two is belonging to row. So on here I am given row span. And if we want to merge, suppose these two cell from this table, so for that we are using call span tag. And how we will give? We just give the data like it, and on here I type suppose table heading and closing it, and given serial number, serial dot number, and close the ts tag, again open the ts tag. Okay, and suppose here I am given name, and then after close the ts tag and open again ts tag. Okay, and here I am given grade. Okay, then close it, then close the tr tag. First heading will be completed. Now second is we are given again tr tag. Okay, and then after I give td tag. Inside it I am given td, table data tag. On this row, if we want to merge the cell, so for that purpose I am given the my command row span and call span on here. Okay, so row span and call span basically used to merge the cell. Okay, so inside the, suppose I am given td row span. Okay, then equal to how many row I want to merge, suppose 2. Okay, so close it, and here I am given name only. Suppose I am given name Ram, then close the td tag, open td tag. Okay, and here I am given the grade A, close the td tag and close the tr tag. So it will be just merge two rows. Two rows it mean by before it one more I am given td tag and serial number 1, then close the td tag. Okay, and then again here I am started tr tag, then opening the td tag, then here I am given serial number 2, then opening tag, क्लोज इट, देन ओपनिंग टैग। सपोज यहाँ पर हमने दे दिया है सॉरी TD टैग आएगा, ठीक है। देन नेम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, सपोज गीता, ओके। देन क्लोजिंग द TD टैग, then here I just no because हाँ ठीक है, okay, then close the TD tag. So what they are doing, they just show the answer like that. On here first heading tag it will be show, and here serial number 1 and 2 it will be show, and because in previous I am given a row span, so it will be combined 2 rows, and here the name Ram will be show, and grade here A, and the Gita will be shown here because in this command what I am given row span 2, so it will be just merge 2 rows, okay. Okay, like that we are given in our command. Then same in call span, if we want to merge 2 columns, it mean by suppose this is my table and I want to merge these two, so on TD tag I am given command call span equal to 2, and here I am given table data, and here table data in place of 3 data I am given just 2 data, so it will be merge these 2 column, and here again I have started TR tag and given 4 table data, okay. Like that this program will be run to merge the content of the table, okay. So thank you, do the practice.